Yeah, it looks like I'm going to need to repair the heater core as well. I'll add that to the list. So it goes reviving old vehicles. This is for the electric fuel pump. This is temporary. I'm going to replace the mechanical pump. That clanging you hear, that's just the exhaust pipe that's hanging off the manifolds, touching the frame rail a little bit. It's just the manifolds and like 4 feet of pipe right now, but par for the course for something that came out of a junkyard. Come on, there we go. Charges. I don't know, I'm excited about it. It's gonna be a nice truck. Hey Carl, can you get out of the shot? Come here. Big dork.